Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, do you not have either the time or the money to get your brows done by a professional, or do you just like to do them at home? That's what I do. I do my brows at home and I've also filled them in. So if you want to know how I did that, then just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget that there's a button down below that lets me know you like it, so click it if you did. And also, if you're new here and if you want new videos every Thursday and Sunday, then don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below, and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so excuse my redness, but I've also just waxed this area. And what you're going to need for this is some tweezers, a scissor, and also a spoolie brush. And I'm kind of very zoomed in a magnifying mirror. That makes it look a lot easier. Okay, so what I start to do is, with the help of the spoolie brush, I kind of use my nose and my eye as a guide to the shape of the brow. So to this area I do the end of my nose and the start of my eye, and I see where the brow is supposed to start. So I tweeze from this area to here, and then I do the same thing on the other brow. Okay, so this central area is basically like that. You measure where you want your brow to start and then get rid of everything in the middle. Okay, and now I'm going to do this brow on camera, but then it's the exact same thing for the other one. For this under area, you gotta brush your brow hairs up and see what excess hair you have in the bottom. And in here, kind of my golden rule for doing your brows at home is, if you're not sure, then don't touch it. So I'm just going to get rid, like you can see, I'm going to get rid of these hairs and then also these ones in here. And it also helps to hold your skin to kind of hurt a little bit less. Okay, so I am happy with that area, and now we gotta do the upper part. So I'm going to brush my hairs down and then see kind of these in here and get rid of those. Okay, so I am happy with that plucking on the upper part. And now with these scissors, I'm going to kind of trim the most long hairs. So I'm gonna brush them up and then see kind of which ones are too big, and be very, very careful. Again, if not too sure, just leave it. That's what I do. And then you can also brush them down and do the same thing. My brows kind of like to be in a straight line. Okay, so that is basically that for a very natural looking brow. That's the way I like them. And then I'm gonna fill it in with the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade and the Jessup 322 Brow Liner. I'm gonna start to do under and then up the shape that I want them. Just fill them in. In this front area, I just do it with less product. And now I'm just basically, with whatever's left on the brush, blending it, and you can also use a spoolie to blend those harsh edges. And then finally, to keep them in place, I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. Here, I'm just going to wipe it off a little bit. I think it's too harsh. Then I'm gonna try and pluck just a tiny little bit more. So yeah, having them done like that also helps you to see if you still have any unwanted hairs. But yeah, that is basically it for this brow, and I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the both brows done, and I think they look very natural. Of course, that without any makeup on, only the brows, it looks kind of weird. Yeah, so this is how I do my brows at home and how I fill them in. And if you think that this was helpful, then give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me your comments, your thoughts in the description. No, not in the description, in the comment section. And also, if you want to see new videos every Thursday and Sunday, then don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below. And yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!